So Varnashram system. So you can see two words in this particular term. One is Varna and the other one is Ashram. Both of them together Varnashram system, isn't it? So first we will see Varna system and then we can see Ashram system. See, Varna is a fourfold division of the society in which the members of the society are divided into Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. So that fourfold division of the society in its original form is an egalitarian system. There is no superiority or inferiority, there is no hierarchy or there is no discrimination, and this is based on character endowment. So character, by virtue of character, some individuals belong to certain Varnas. So that is Varna system. Please write some introduction. Varna system is a fourfold division of the society into Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. This fourfold division of society allows or allocates certain duties and responsibilities to every individual in a society. This is a type of division of labor. Through which materialistic and non-materialistic needs are fulfilled. It also regulates the behavior of individuals in a society and allows them to lead a meaningful and purposeful life. It therefore helps in promoting peace and harmony, unity and integrity, and an ideally established society. Features. Put this at heading features or characteristics of Varna system. Only 4 Varnas are there. It is an egalitarian system. There is no concept of polluting and non-polluting occupations. There is no discrimination. There is no superiority and inferiority. There is no hierarchy. Intervarna mobility and intervarna marriages are allowed. Intervarna mobility and intervarna marriages are allowed. It is based on character endowment. It is a flexible system. Obviously, it is a liberal system. It is a liberal, flexible system. It is based on character endowment. It is a liberal system. It is definitely a flexible system. So these are some features or characters of Varna system.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.